Aaron Tucker, and this is how to fold a handkerchief for jeans back pockets. It all depends on the size of the back pockets on your jeans and the size of the handkerchief. Really, you just want to fold your handkerchief into little squares to slide neatly into your back pocket. But if you're going to tuck it in, it should fill your back pocket, or else it's going to kind of feel like a wallet. You don't want anything else bulky in your pockets. If you're folding a handkerchief in your jeans, it should be functional. Why else would you be having a handkerchief in your jeans pocket? So it's just as cool to let the handkerchief hang. If you need to reach it for a specific reason, just pull it out. That way you can do whatever you want to do with it, whether you're wiping sweat off your brow, covering your face from a dust storm, or whatever reason you have this handkerchief. Let it be easily accessible. I think it's a lot cooler to just have it hanging and easily accessible.